But anyways, gaming chairs, my dude. I know Jackson has opinions on gaming chairs and the value that they offer. I know you can get a lot of really cheap gaming chairs right now on the market, but what would you say about them? What would you say about the cheap gaming chairs? Let's just talk about Zach's first of all. I think Zach's is a great example of a cheap gaming chair.
I feel like cheap ones are a much better value
Yeah.
than expensive ones, which might not make a ton of sense to people, but it's one of those things where if you spend $100 to $200, I'll say $100 to $300 on a gaming chair, I think you're doing pretty good because you're probably just trying to get the aesthetic and everything, and you just really want to, you want to be a gamer.
You want to be a gamer.
Now, if you get something like we have, like very nice, like
very
1,300, like any gaming chair over $500, in my opinion, you're just paying extra for the brand name because they're not comfy. That's really what I'm trying to get at is you're so much better off, in my opinion, spending like $500, $600, even $1,000 on a nice ergonomic chair, because chances are if you're buying a gaming chair, you're sitting in your gaming chair all day, like you're playing games a lot to negate needing a gaming chair. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to like ruin my back, and I feel like gaming chairs are definitely not the best for that.
No, they're not. And if you're getting it for like ergonomics, I mean, don't, because you're better off getting like something that's an actual ergo chair. I really like the autonomous ergo chair. That one's really good. It's not super gamery, but people seem to like it, and I've liked it a lot. But honestly, if you're going for a gaming chair, it's almost the price performance thing. Almost like gaming PCs. At a certain price point, it starts not making a whole lot of sense. You don't get much more for your money. Same thing with gaming chairs, and in all honesty, like going over $400 or $500, unless you're getting some really cool feature, you're really just getting extra padding or companies that say that they hand make them, and at the end of the day, does that really make it any better?
That's really like I think what we paid a lot for with ours was they were handmade, which I mean, there's really not a lot that makes it feel handmade.
No.
Like looking at it, you're like, it's not like a fine piece of like crafted wood or something. Like it's not like a fine antique. You look at it and you're just like, I would never know that chair is handmade. So I think that part about having something that's handmade, it defeats the purpose of it if you can't tell it's handmade.
The gaming throne is where it's at. The gaming throne is where it's at. That's for sure.
And those bastards are handmade.
I still remember, was it a $1 chair I bought on Amazon on stream and it never showed up? That was disappointing times. Chat, if you were here for that, you remember the $1 chair that never showed up.
Matt's still waiting on that chair.
I'm still waiting on that $1 chair. It'll be here one of these days. It was $2? Okay, it was $2. Yeah, it was like $1 or $2, and I was like, it's gonna be here.